guys, it's me, Michaela. Well, my name is Michaela Elaine Williams, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Make sure to hit that like button, and let's get started to the video. So right now, if you can see by the title that I'm like trying to explode a Halloween water balloon right here. Oh my god, I'm so freaking scared. Let me stand my camera. It's right here. It's very orange. It's kind of dirty, but it's okay. So right now, I'm very kind of excited a bit, but I'm not that happy. Okay, now we're just gonna get this. Oh yeah, this is my chanclas. They're kind of getting old. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so scared. Hit that like button. Make sure to follow my Instagram. It's a baddie 2019 and follow my TikTok too. Michaela Williams 634. Okay. If you don't know how to spell my name, make sure it would be down in the description. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. Oh my god, I'm very scared. So now I have to make it explode. If you can see, I'm not wearing it. Look. Okay, at this. Hopefully it doesn't explode on my Okay, I'm very scared. Let me stand up. Okay. Very scared. Oh, okay. This is big and fat. Let's just try to explode it and stuff. Wait. Let me try to do this. Let me try to explode. But I don't make it. How'd you like? Now it's like okay. 1, 2, 3. It didn't explode. Let me try to do it one more time. Like, subscribe. 1, 2, 3. It has to explode. Okay, number 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got scared. Oh my god, guys. Okay, now it's like very like that. Okay, in this video, so we're gonna end this video right now. I'm very scared. My feet are wet too. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna end this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure to turn on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So bye guys. See you Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Peace out.